A great pastry experience is when texture, flavor, design, ambiance, and service come all along at the same level. The craft of being a pastry chef philosophy is come to work every day with the idea of how can I do it better? Stay hungry for quality and also stay very disciplined with the mentality that it's the guest experience getting impacted. Four Seasons teaches you how to be a very, very skilled leader. And the leadership skills that you get here, they allow you to manage a team in a very, very genuine and productive way. And I've been lucky enough that my team is very passionate. They're excited about new things, and that motivates me to be a better leader. The way that we approach the guest experience, we make you feel special every single seconds and every single step in the hotel. It has to be consistently memorable all throughout. I'm very particular about the way that I like my pastries. The product, when it leaves the kitchen, is perfect, but you have to make sure that if it goes into a room or it goes to a table, all the steps of the way, that has to be fun when you eat it, but also has to look nice, has to be well done. When all these factors align, texture, flavor, presentation, service, it's the moment that you're like, okay, this is great.